So now let's see how we can work around with inverting and posterizing of images right here using the adjustment layers. So to do that, you need to go around onto the adjustment layer section right here, and here you can see that invert is an option. So once you go ahead onto invert, you can see that the image simply inverts right here. But you can go around and select this right here, and then you can go around, take your brush, and let's say for example change around the size of the brush right here, the hardness of the brush, and then draw around. So I'm selecting the mask right here, so let's just go around and then change this out, and you can see that I can simply erase this part out right here, and only the masked area will be selected and it will be inverted right here. You can also go around and reverse it and then get back the white right here, as you can see, or go for a gray right here for a more subtle look right here, just like this as well. So apart from that, you can also work around with posterize. Let me just hide this particular layer right here, and then I'm going to go around over here and select out posterize. Let's say for example, I'm going to drag the posterize down, and you can see that I can change around the level of posterization right here, just like this. You can go ahead and erase this out as well. So let's say for example, I'm going to go for black right here, just like this, to erase that part out. And then this is what you have, as you can see, just like this. So apart from that, you can also go around and then enable this out right here and then work around with the same. So let's just go ahead and then work around with the invert right here, just like this, and select out the layer, and then you can see that I can work around with these as I want right here. One layer on top of another, one adjustment layer on top of another right here. And all of this is non-destructive, and that is why you can erase and regain it back out as you want. And that is how you can work around with the invert and posterization adjustment layers inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.